Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate money in dead rails. First, navigate to any in-game vendor or trading terminal you can access. Make sure you have at least one item of moderate value, let's say worth over 100 credits, in your inventory. This item will be crucial for initiating our efficient duplication process, so choose wisely from your current possessions. Having a consistent internet connection is not necessary for this particular technique to work its magic. Once at the vendor, carefully sell your chosen valuable item to them. Now, immediately repurchase that identical item from the vendor's inventory. You should notice a slight increase in your total currency after this simple buyback action. Repeat this selling and buying loop several times, and you will see your in-game funds steadily grow, perhaps by several thousand credits within a minute. To maximize your gains, select an item with a significantly higher base value, ideally several thousand credits or more. The more consistently you repeat the simple sell-buy cycle, the faster your in-game currency will multiply. Dedicate just 5 to 10 minutes to this method, and you could accumulate hundreds of thousands of credits. Use your newfound wealth to buy those rare upgrades or essential supplies you have always wanted. Always remember to save your game frequently, especially after you have accumulated a substantial amount of new currency. This method relies on a specific in-game mechanic, so be aware that future game updates might potentially alter its functionality. Pay attention to your inventory space, as duplicating many items might fill it quickly. Enjoy your boosted in-game economy and explore all the new possibilities this financial freedom brings you in dead rails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.